Well, I graduated from college with a degree in political science and public administration, thinking that I would go to work for the state of Georgia, likely in a planning and development type position. And as one of my jobs in college, I worked career fairs for Georgia College in Milledgeville. And upon a career fair one day, I had the conversation with a professor from Mercer Law School who said, "What are you going to do after you graduate from college?" And I gave my response, and he said, "Well, have you ever thought about going to law school?" And so thus began my trek into the world of law. And when I graduated from law school, I worked first in a small firm in Brunswick, Georgia, and then moved to Augusta and went to work in the district attorney's office as an assistant DA. I managed the child support recovery unit during my time there, and I also managed the sex crimes unit, so to speak, within the office. So I covered 3 counties, Richmond, Columbia, and Burke counties. After 3 years in the district attorney's office, I transferred to the Solicitor General's office as an assistant solicitor. Subsequently became the chief assistant solicitor, and in 1996 ran for the office of Solicitor General for Richmond County and served 2 terms in that office until 2004. In 2004, there was an open seat on the bench, and I felt very strongly with a background dealing with families and children and issues of prosecution that I might be able to offer something to the community. And so I ran for office, and the community put their faith in me, and I've been on the bench since January 1, 2005. Dealing with families, I love when I am able to put families together, or I can help families find solutions to issues that may be occurring in their lives as a result of either conflict, substance abuse, family violence, and those type issues. I was appointed as the administrative judge for the 10th District of Georgia, and so that placed me on the Judicial Council, where I'm very honored to serve with all of the classes of courts in the state in terms of the functioning business of the courts. Well, I hope to learn a lot about how the court works as a whole throughout the state, what the issues are, and hopefully work with some policy making. I'm actually reading an historical fiction book called Winter Garden by Kristen Hanna, and it relates to a woman and her daughter's relationships and history through Leningrad.